Anurag Basu saw you in a coffee shop somewhere.
No, he didn't.
Where did he see you?
He just wants to have this Raj Kapoor aura around him. He didn't. I need to clarify.
Let the record show.
I need to clarify this. He did spot me in a coffee shop. I did like some 25 auditions. Every day they used to take an audition and then reject it in the night. And then by 25th audition, I got to know that Chitrangana Singh is the right girl for the role because the girl has to be a mother of a 5-year-old. And I was like, okay, fine. And luckily, her husband, Chitrangana's husband, asked her to quit films. And just when the schedule...
Luckily for you, that is.
Just when they were about to go to Seoul for their schedule, I was called. Do you have a passport? And I'm like, no, I don't. They're like, okay, phone down. You call again. Can you get a passport in 1 week? I said, I'm going to try my best. And that's how I landed the role. They didn't have an option.
Subscribe to the Film Companion YouTube channel now and get your film fix.